Hold on. Well, I did clean this out. I wanted to install a different toilet right now. I'm thinking the home art, but looks like it's a good time to actually just clean out the tank easily. I'm just trying to find my cleaning stuff. There's just been a lot going on and I can't find my stuff. I'm going to see if I could get an SOS scrubbing pad and clean this off. Okay, time to do something. Well, I'm still scrubbing it. It's getting there. Well, I used some SOS scrubbing pad and some Comet. So now I'm just going to turn back on the water and see what else I could do. Wash it all off and stuff. Get it as clean as I could possibly get it. Wash it off as good as I can. Right, guys? And that's it, I believe. We're reaching all the spots I wanted to get to. I think that's it. Good enough for now. I guess I won't be uninstalling it right now, but probably maybe tomorrow or sometime this week, I don't know. Because I'm a very busy person, and I ran out of time today. Let me turn off the pipe. Give me one sec. Okay, so now I'm going to give this a flush. It's already looking nasty as it is. Let's see if I can do that kind of flush. Well, it's looking a hell of a lot better. That's actually a dent in the foam. One sec. Why is my lens not showing clear? I don't know why my camera just sucks right now. I don't know why my camera sucks. The lens seems to be lousy. Anyways, that's it. I can't clean this whole thing, so I'm going to replace this whole thing in the future. I like the black tilt flush valve. I think the rubber needs replacing. And this Blue Master sounds a little cruddy. I'm going to put a newer one in. Or just put a different fill valve for now. Because this one sounds lousy. And it makes a lot of noise. This is older. Or maybe it has a lot of blockage of that brown water still in it, of course. Which I can't get out from the inside out. But anyways, that's it for now. And thanks for watching. I'm just gonna give this a break for now. And Home Art Toilet will be coming very shortly. Take care.